Hey guys, let me show you how to create a free logo for your business, okay? Let's go. Go to any web browser of your choice, then type in canva.com. So once your website opens, go to this search box, type in logo. From the list of the drop-down suggestions, you can choose if it's food logo or gaming logo or cycle or whatever logo you want to create. But let's just click on logo. So from here, you can see there are so many already made templates here in this platform. Some of them are for pro version, while some of them are for free version. But let's go and click on the create a blank logo. So on the next page, you will still see the already made templates on this platform by the left side here. So you scroll down and choose any template of your choice. So let's say, for example, you want to create a gaming logo. So maybe you choose this one. To display here on the Canva editing platform, okay? Now, if you want to resize this image, you click on it and place your mouse at the end of one of the edges. Drag it upwards or downwards, then it will be resized. You can click on it and place it at the center or any side you want. So you want to add a text, you come by the side here, you click T, this text, you click it, you choose your text, you click on this. So the text element will appear here on the editing Canva. So go ahead and add your name. Let's say, change the size of the text from here. Here, if you click on it, you can change the font of the text. You can choose any font of your choice. Some of them are for pro version and some are also for free version. After you've done editing your logo, you want to save it on your computer. You come here, you click on share. You come down here, you click on download. You click on download. It will be downloaded to your computer, as you can see here. Click to launch it open. So this is the logo you created for free with Canva. Please, if this helps, follow me for more tips, okay?